Hello everybody, my name is Miss Grace. Today we will be reading a story, A Day with Habby. Today, Habby is going to the farm to see some of his favorite animals. But first, he must eat a big breakfast. Habby walks into the kitchen and Mommy is preparing breakfast for him. Habby sits down on the chair as Mommy serves delicious pancakes. "Thank you, Mommy," says Habby. Then Habby eats his breakfast and washes his hands after. He sings, tops and bottoms, in between, scrub them all together, now they're clean, squeaky clean. And then he excitedly puts on his boots because it's time to go to the farm. Woof, woof. Can you hear that? Woof, woof. Oh, that's Bingo, the dog. Habby follows Bingo around the farm. They named all the animals one by one. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cries the rooster. Moo, says the cow. Oink, oink, says the pig. Neigh, neigh, says the horse. Quack, 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 says the duckies. Bah, bah, says the sheep. After naming all the animals, they walk over to the colorful farmhouses. I can see a red farmhouse. Oh, look, I can see a blue one. Oh, what's that on the other corner? It's a yellow one. Habby had a fun day at the farm. But it's time to say goodbye to Mr. Sun and all the other animals. Goodbye, everyone, says Habby as he waves his hands goodbye and walks slowly back home. That's the end of our story. I hope you like the story. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!